This TruShield wraparound net is great if you're the 07 to 17 two-door JK owner who's looking for full cargo protection and that very aggressive military look. When you're out bouncing around on the trails, it's a good bet that you don't want your cargo flying out into the mud, and you probably don't want to get surprised by any unwanted branches or large debris flinging into your Jeep. This cargo net will do just what you want it to, protect your cargo and you while you're out on the trail. Most importantly, if you're a dog owner like myself, this is a great way to protect your furry friend while you have the top off. They can still enjoy that open air driving experience while you get a little bit of peace of mind. This installs in a couple of minutes with some buckles and straps, so this gets a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me, and I'll go more into the install in just a moment. Now, like I said, this is going to hold everything that you want inside of your Jeep and keep everything that you don't want in your Jeep out. The netting is a 3-piece modular setup that wraps all the way around the back, over the back seats and the cargo area, and has an overhead net for up front. What I really like about this is that you can take each piece off as you please, since it is modular. If you just wanted the portion over the seats on, you can take the back netting off and vice versa. This will give you options with appearance and functionality of the net overall. The netting itself is made of a thick, heavy-duty nylon, and at each cross, it's triple stitched for extra strength. It's strong enough to hold up to about 1,100 pounds, so I think that it's definitely safe to say that this is going to do a great job at keeping your heavy items in the cab, even if they do happen to move around. There are multiple spots around the roll bar that this netting attaches to, and it connects with the adjustable heavy-duty buckles and straps. This makes it very easy to take on and off, and it makes adjusting the tension easy as well, so it's not flopping around or getting loose while you're driving. There are not many full netting options on the site right now for the two-door JKs, but this right now is in the middle of the road with price at around $380. The other less expensive options come with a different, less heavy-duty material and different mounting points, so they might not be as modular or as functional. This heavy-duty nylon is tough, and it's definitely going to last longer without any fraying or ripping. Now, this is still going to be less expensive than our most expensive option by Dirty Dog, but they include different patterns of eyelet-style netting that has thicker straps. We do offer all of the modular sections of this netting, like the front overhead net, the rear overhead netting, and the 3-piece wraparound separately as well if you are not looking to get them all at the same time. But keep in mind, when you are buying them separately, they are going to cost you about $80 more in the long run. Overall, if you are looking for the style and the protection that you can count on, this net is definitely going to be worth the price, and you're getting what you pay for. Overall, this should only take you about 30 to 45 minutes to get fully hooked up. So like I said before, this is a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. I'd first make sure that the net was oriented the right way by laying it on a large flat surface. For the front net, attach the 3 footman loop straps to the footman loops and the rear straps to the sound bar, and attach all 8 side straps and the 2 corner straps to the roll bar. For the rear overhead net, attach the straps around the roll bar to the plastic connectors, and then the 6 side straps to the roll bars. Then for the rear netting, you can attach the right strap, then the left side strap around the roll bar above the seatbelt bolts. Then you can work your way down, connecting the straps to the connectors, leaving the lower ones somewhat loose, and then attaching the rear corner connections and tightening and adjusting as needed. When using the bottom wraparound net, the rear overhead and the wraparound net should align. After everything is adjusted and tightened as needed, you can step back and enjoy your net. So if you're looking for some full net protection for your 07 to 17 two-door, this TruShield net is a great option. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.